Day 3 of a 15-year-old trying to build his dream PC with literally no money. Today I realized something crazy. I've been dreaming about this PC for years, but never actually tried to earn even 100 rupees for it. So I changed that today. I made my first small move. I started creating daily videos, even if they're trash. Because one viral video can change everything. Everyone starts with zero skills, but only a few keep going. I'm done waiting for the perfect moment. From today, I'm improving 1% every day. One day, I'll look back at these videos and laugh. But until then, I'm grinding quietly. Follow the journey if you want to see a broke 15-year-old build his